now about to start the Network in Action element, which is a new element of the MGG Academy, and it's actually an innovation. What we're doing is we asked alumni from the network for their initiatives that they're working on and collaborating on and where they want to create more impact. And we had a call for applications. We selected 5 amazing initiatives, and now these people are coming to Bonn to collaborate together with the participants in the MGG Academy. Very much looking forward to it.
Mixed teams work on innovative solutions for 5 powerful questions.
We just had a whole morning of sounding boards with amazing projects. And what do you think about it?
I'm still really amazed. It was so cool, and it is so crazy to see how the projects really got from just the stage of ideas on Monday to prototypes today. I'm a bit speechless.
I really enjoy how people see each other as peers and as colleagues, also beyond the teams. So there's really real collaboration beyond even the groups that they have formed, and that is what I love the most about it.